Chris called the office and was asking about roof leaks and if I could get out here and take a look at it. When I got out here, met the guy that was replacing the ceiling tiles, and we discussed a little bit of things of where the leaks were coming from. Got up here on the roof, and as you can see, all the new AC equipment and all that stuff is brand new. There was 37 roof penetrations, which apparently were all leaking. So we made the proposal to get up here, do a R12 or rep seal, which is a tough text product, which is another division of our company, Novatuff. Anything in question gets R12 around it, which is our rubberized roof sealant. Of course, all the roof penetrations, all the patches, corners, curbs, vent pipes, they all get R12, as well as the wind fence, because the wind fence will move, so it can actually break open the bottoms and start a leak at that point. So we rubberize everything. Then that way we can go back and coat it with the RC-100, given a 10-year labor and material warranty, where the owners don't have to worry about anything. If anything pops up, we come out and take care of it. Then we installed our Novatuff RC-100, which is a flexible reflective roof coating, and as you can see, it's a bright white. This will actually cool the building, as well as have the ACs perform a little better because they're not having to cool the attic space down. But we have a 97% reflectivity with this coating. I've been doing roofing 33 years, and it's the best thing I know that's going. With the reflective roof coatings, we can do metal, TPO, we can do modified bitumen. I mean, anything that's on a flat roof, we can go ahead and do. We do that because, especially now in Austin, roofing codes want you, if you're gonna take care of a flat roof, you have to remove the roofing system, install 3 inches of iso board foam insulation, which is expensive to say the least, and then re-roof it. With us, we can rehab a roof, and then we don't need to do any of that because now we've taken care of the reflective. We haven't removed any part of the roof, you know, haven't had to do any patches or anything else. So it saves the client money. It gives them the same warranty that they're going to get with a TPO manufacturer warranty of 10 years, except we do a 10-year labor and material.